Hey everybody, Dirty Curdy here. Today we are taking 55 Buick Super and we're going to throw the body onto a 73 Buick Electra chassis. So today we're stripping all this. It's going to be part one. We're going to strip the body, get it ready to be taken off of the 73. Then we're going to get the chassis all ready and throw the 55 body on the 73 chassis. Yeah. Alright, so this is the 55 Buick Super two-door that we're going to put on the 73 chassis over here. Got my boy Peel-Off getting hard at it right now. So this is the 73. It's got a Buick 455 in it. I have a Turbo 400 for it. It was pretty much a running and driving car that someone cut the top off. And I cruised it for a little bit, but it's gonna get tore apart. Yeah, I have two of these 73s, so there's the other one I have. Anyways, yeah. So here's where we're at so far. Got the whole front off pretty much. Inside's stripped. Got to clean out this trunk. Right, Eli?
Yeah.
Alright, so update. Eli had to go home. He got dark out. So we got all the body bolts out. We pretty much got the body ready to be lifted off the frame. We did actually get it jacked up a little bit, put some 4x4 blocks underneath the in between the frame and the body. So tomorrow he has to work, so I'm going to be flying solo. I think I'm just going to try to get it lifted off by myself and hopefully be able to roll the frame out from underneath that body, and that'll be the end of part one. So yeah, I'll get back with you guys tomorrow. Here it is. It needs pretty cleaned up. It's got some surface rust, but still pretty solid. I need to get the tranny thrown back in here, the drive line, pretty much get it back to a driving chassis and get this motor painted up. Probably get some new gaskets on it. But yeah, so soon we'll be hopefully pulling that body and throwing it on this frame. It's gonna be a fun little project. Hopefully it works out.